Okay, good days everyone. Today I want to share about this RG-AirMetro 460G. As we know that they have a Ruijie, they have a website has showing that they want to have a two version. One is a EST series, one is AirMetro. So today I want to share is about this AirMetro. Okay, so AirMetro I have this AR460G this versions. Okay, so this is the model I have in my. I just bought these two because I want to link my apartment between one unit and another unit to get to have an internet access. Some more can link to very far away, so within 1 5 kilometer. So later I will show how I going to pay it, and I'm going to install it and how the Ruijie apps performs. So over here there are some features I would like to share is can be above 15 kilometer, and according the Ruijie Reyee people that telling me this is able to get around 200 to 300 Mbps. So I hope I can get it. Okay, so I'm going to do this pairings later. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now I demonstrate how to do a pairing. So you can over here I can see the PO injector I haven't been powered up. So this is under new mode. So that's why you just take it up and try only. So that's why you now have to do a pairing first before do the installation. So first of all, one thing I turn on the power. You can see there are two light up. I power up this two unit of the AirMetro. So wait the LED light. Wait it fully power up first. Okay, so you see the light no longer blinking right already, right? So we just, you can point like that. You click on the one of that will be enough. This will be a main. So you can see they will be start communicating. Okay, you see once it's done, they have a 3 bar already lighting up, lighting like this already. So now you can proceed the installations. So this is the pairing before do installations. This is how we do the pairing. Okay, so on these Ruijie apps, you're just going to Ruijie. Okay, just add the project, connect to the Wi-Fi, click the wireless bridge, then you click start. Okay, click connect. So he will looking for those Wi-Fi setting. Okay, so you just click on the Wi-Fi setting, then back to the Ruijie apps. So we will start doing generating a topology.
Okay, so now they detecting device. So they've been telling you, okay, with this RG-AirMetro are connection. So click on it. So just put a project name. So this is the RG-AirMetro. So password I put Alliance DMIN123. So up to you. Okay, create a project. Keep trying. Okay. So they're adding into the Ruijie Club. Okay, so once it's done ready, you can see you have internet direct RG-AirMetro. So you click on the RG-AirMetro, you're able to monitor your RG-AirMetro scenario. Okay, so you just take a browse. They know how many dB you can use the antenna element, spectrum scan. Okay, you can do a spectrum scan over here. You can do the antenna element. Okay. Okay, and also you can change the password and also change the mode as well. You want a standard high bandwidth for anti-interference. Okay, so this everything over here. Not only that, they have some setting over here also. You can change the radio country and change the Wi-Fi setting as well. Okay, so this up to you want to enable this or not. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Okay, so this is the way how we installing. And this is the way how we going to dismantle it. Just turn will be enough.